Alrighty, we are replacing the oxygen sensor today. This is also going to be helpful for anybody that needs to know how to get your airbox out, because it can be a little bit tricky. So, let's go ahead and pop those off there. Just knock off all these little clips around there. Pull the air filter out. Disconnect these. Undo this band clamp right there. So just pull that off. Pull that out of there. Alright, this should be good. Now, the airbox just sits in there with some grommets, so you kind of really got to give it a tug to get it out. There we go. Lift up on the front part and pull forward. And there she is, just like that. There are, if you can see this, let's get focus here. I don't know how clear that is. These are E sockets. You can see the wrench. These are E11 E sockets. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 2 up here in the front, 3 that are easily visible. There's 1 that you just are really going to have a problem getting to. And it is way back here behind this piece, bolted into the head, like these 2 here. But it's behind this. So, whoops. So you have to find the right amount of extensions to get back behind there. If you work your hand back there, you'll be able to feel it. Alright, let's get these undone. Tried to do this job before, I got the wrong part. So I already have that one behind here, out, and I'm not putting it back in. It's a bitch, and I don't think it serves any kind of integral purpose. So I'm not, it's just not going back in. It's too much of a pain in the butt to deal with. Pay attention where you get your bolts out of also. I am not positive, but I'm pretty sure that some of these bolts, maybe one of them, is actually a different diameter than the rest. So pay attention. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that. But that, I mean, those are not the same size. They're not. So pay attention where you're getting what bolts it's from. Alright, there's all those. And I believe I have one behind there that holds that dipstick. The dipstick is going to be 10 millimeters. Alrighty. Now that that's out of there, slide these little clips off. You can see it, those little clips right there. There's just 2 of them. And it should come out. There we go. Now I have searched and searched and searched. I can only see the one oxygen sensor, this one. I have looked all up and down this car and I only see one. If you guys know where there's another one, please tell me. But that's it. Just, I've only found the one. All the way down the exhaust. I looked underneath the whole car and I only saw the one. So that's the one we're going to replace. If you follow the wiring harness back, it's easy enough. Just a couple little clips onto the engine. So let's get the right wrench and get it out. This is a 22. If you have line wrenches, that would probably be more appropriate, but I don't. I mean, I do, but I can't find the right one that fits, so. Ow. There we go. Let's take these clips off, huh? Go. Oh. Yeah. Nasty. The zip tie holding this on. Out just like that. That pops out of that little holster real easy. Just unplug it. There we go. Here's a new one. Let's go ahead and bolt all this stuff back up. Go. There we go. And a little clippy. Clip. Clip. This time, let's not forget to tighten this band clamp. There we go. And you. I'm not even sure if this was supposed to come out, but mine came out and it made the job easier, so. There we go. God dang it. Alright, and that's how you replace an oxygen sensor. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave a comment and I'll see what I can answer.